How we doing, YouTube? I'm Thomas with Tomology. I'm here to bring you a video about how to bypass the login screen for Microsoft on a 23H2 and 24H2. So you either are upgrading your Windows, you're redoing Windows, you just made your brand new PC build. What's going to happen is Microsoft is going to force you to make an account or sign into a Microsoft account. So I don't want to do that. So as long as you're at this screen right here, okay? Once you're at this screen here, after you install it, this is going to be the first screen you get to. What you're going to do is you're going to hold the Shift key and hit F10. Okay, Shift and F10. Go ahead and I'm going to try to zoom in up here. I'll leave links to, well, not links. I'll leave what I type in here in the description down below. So once you're here, go ahead and put your mouse, your cursor in there so you can get it started. So the first thing we're going to type is net space user space and then whatever your name is. If your name is David, you put David. If your name is Chris, you put Chris. Remember, however you put this, if you're going to use a capital in yours, you're going to have to use a capital again in a minute. Make sure this is what you want it to be. So my name is Thomas. So I'm going to put Thomas with a capital T. Okay. Now in a space / add. I'm going to then hit enter. And if you see right here, it says the command completed successfully. As long as it says successfully, then we're doing good. So next, we're going to type in net, because you want your computer to be as secure as possible. And the only way for your computer to be secure as possible, sorry, couldn't talk there, to make it really secure is you've got to be the administrator. So that way you have all the administrator privileges of your PC. So anyway, so you type in net space. All right, see where we're at. My battery died on my camera, so let me go back in here. All right, remember, so we're going to type in net space local group space administrator. Now remember, administrator has to be a capital A. If there's not a capital A, it will not work. You have to capitalize it. Okay, so net space local group space administrators with a capital A. I cannot stress that. So now when I told you a minute ago about making your name, so if it's David, Chris, whatever, and you capitalize your D, now you got to capitalize it again. So now I'm going to capitalize my T, put my Thomas, space, / add. There is no such global user. Oh, see, this is what I was talking about. So now there's there. Somehow I got two T's in there. So we're going to do that again. So net space local. It's kind of hard to type behind this camera. Local group space administrator, capital A, okay, administrators, space, remember your name, capitalize, space, / add. Okay, again, this command completed successfully. So the next line, we're going to do one more command, which is going to be OOB backslash this time instead of forward, MS OO, no, not space, OOBE. Okay, space, and then the @ symbol. So the @ symbol should be your number 7 on your keyboard. So you're gonna hold Shift @ space, type in shutdown, space, -R. Okay. So now when this happens, it's going to, once I hit enter here, it's going to restart. So I'm going a little bit slower as I'm doing this. That way y'all can follow along if you're installing a new set of Windows right now. You know, a lot of people are looking stuff up like this. So get it, then we're going to hit enter. And now my computer is going to restart. I might have a little bit of a time lapse in here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out so everyone can see. Pull the camera back just a smidge. Might even go down with the camera. Let's bring the camera down. About right there. This will take just a minute depending on your PC and your CPU and what kind of power hog or performance PC you have. Alright. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, like, subscribe. This helped you out at all. This gave you any insight. You know, like, subscribe. I bring stuff like this. I bring up mainly reviews, but I'll bring some tech into this, like this right here. My computer that's right over here, I'm going to be redoing the water loop this week as soon as all my parts get in. Once they all get in, I'm taking all the silver out, putting in white, all white fittings, new RAM block. Okay, so you're going to be prompted on here. Go ahead, zoom in. It says the username or password is incorrect. Okay, we're not worried about that. Okay, not worried about that at all. Just go ahead and hit OK. Okay, so once you get in here, it says default user 0, and then down here to the bottom left-hand corner is your account that you created. And now it's going to get everything ready for Windows. I'll go ahead and either time lapse or fast forward from this point here because nobody wants to sit here and be bored. All right, so now on this screen here, I didn't have to fast forward. I personally turned everything off. Okay, so the first thing I got to do, and look, see, I'm already connected to my internet. I did all this with my Ethernet and everything connected into my computer. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings. And see, everything's here. All my internet, everything's here. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to accounts. And there I am. I am Thomas, local account administrator. I am right here. I am not signed into Microsoft. But, I mean, it's just that easy. So, hopefully y'all got something from this. So let's see here. Let's go to users real quick. Accounts. Let's go here. User. Other users. And we're going to come in here and we're going to remove this one here. Delete that account. Now, that account is gone, and because we only need the one account. So, that right there, once you restart, you won't have to worry about logging in, logging out. It's just straight mine. I don't have to have a password, nothing else. So, again, sorry you got a little choppy here at the end, but hopefully this helped you out, getting your Windows up and going and installed, and bypassing if you don't want to log in with Microsoft. I'm Thomas with Tomology. I'll catch y'all on the next one.